I've never been to Hawaii, especially not in Oregon. So, as I said before, we're enjoying this beautiful view. Welcome everyone. In the last episode we crossed the US border and checked out Seattle. This time we're continuing our travels southbound and surely won't be disappointed. Here we go. Cape Disappointment, hey? Come on, it cannot be that bad. After a little bit of walking with an awesome view here at Cape Disappointment, hello.
Hello.
We finally can get out of the trailer and actually walk what we see. So
look, our last stop in Washington.
Yeah.
Later today we're heading down to Oregon. So
it's quite a last stop to have.
yeah.
Very awesome.
Now that the fog has cleared.
Yeah, it was very foggy earlier, but now the sun came out and it drew us outside.
Not sure how we're gonna make it over here.
Well, I saw quite a few people climbing over all this, so
fine.
We might have to do the same. Or we go around and come in on the back end there.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.
You spider monkey?
Yeah, they love climbing. Climbing and caving are their favorite things. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm not as fast as you. Gosh, she's a pain in the butt today.
Like a teenager.
Yeah. She's 10.
10 years old. Still crazy.
Doing the leash dance.
Oh yeah. We're just walking through the camp area here at Cape Disappointment. I'm not sure which specific one it is, but
there's only one.
Oh, there's only one. Okay. Looks really clean and nice, and I can see why people stay here. We chose not to stay here, but it's $35 a night, if we are not mistaken.
Yeah, for no hookups, just basic camping.
Yeah, basic camping, hookups, no hookups, sorry, and but looks nice and clean. So
look, open.
Openness.
Good for solar.
Yeah.
Power. Free power.
Yeah, we need to collect some free solar power because we're low.
Yeah, we've been in the woods for too long.
Yeah. After Cape Disappointment, we are on our way to Oregon. We found a beautiful spot that we could not resist to check out. Hey everyone!
Hello!
A quick update. We are in Oregon and we just stayed at a nice Harvest Host last night, just in Tillamook, and crossed that long bridge between Washington and Oregon. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are at the coastline here, at the Three Arches. What are they called?
Three Arches.
The Three
Arches Rocks.
The Arches Rocks. I hope I can zoom in there. It's there. You can't go there anyway because they're natural.
Yeah,
they're protected. yeah, so we will be in Oregon for now. How many days?
4 or 5 days, depends.
Yep.
We're just heading down the Oregon Coast Trail.
Yeah. And check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Take our time.
It's warm.
It's hot. It's like 26 degrees. That is 85.
Okay, so yeah, just wanted to check in, let you know where we are and what's happening. And we just continue down the coast.
And
Stop on the way.
stop somewhere on the way.
I'm sure there's beautiful stuff. How is it called anyway? Like the people that live in Oregon, is it Oregonians?
Oregonians.
Oregonians?
Oregonians.
Maybe leave it in the comments. I have no idea.
As usual.
But I want to learn.
We don't know nothing.
Same with Seattle. Like when we were there, I was wondering what are people from Seattle called? Seattle? I don't know. Okay, let's go. This is pretty nice.
It's like
Vacation. Hawaii. I've never been to Hawaii, especially not in Oregon. Yeah, I can do this.
what I like about the beaches here is whereas up on Vancouver Island and you know it's all rocks and gravel and like,
The sand?
not this is nice soft sand.
Yeah, this is proper beach.
This is like proper beach.
Like it? You know, this is pretty awesome, Oregon. Just what we needed. A little cool down in this hot weather, and girls can run, and yeah, very beautiful. Like it. Quite a bit colder than this morning. Where we started this morning was supposed to be 26 degrees, I think, and we have 11 here right now. And
Look at that.
yeah, this view is awesome. So, as I said before, we're enjoying this beautiful view.
As far as we can see.
Yeah, it's like visibility. Not sure, not far. So looks cool. It's probably really nice when the fog is not here. Cool beach though.
But nice.
Yeah. If anybody can guess where we're going or can see what you're supposed to see, put it in the comments. See if you're right. So you kind of can see it.
You can kind of see.
Yeah. Okay. Darn. So nobody wins anything. It's a lighthouse. Pretty cool. Let's see. Or not. That's cool though.
I like it with the fog.
Yeah. It reminds me of the horror movie, The Fog.
Oh, it's so cool.
idea. Halloween, ghost ships, and the lighthouse. That's a pretty cool Halloween party. Come on. I will go. Good morning, everybody. We had a fantastic night in Newport. We were here on a 16-hour parking allowed lot, and Newport is very RV friendly. We were very surprised and were very happy about that. And we left some money in their local businesses as well as a thank you. Thanks, Newport. And yeah, we are moving on south now on the 101 and see what the day brings. And there's one thing I was looking at the whole morning, but it was occupied the whole time. And tell me you don't think the same thing when you see it.
Oh, you didn't do it?
That slide over there. It is very tempting. I really...
You did it.
I don't know if the kids are still there, so I don't want to take away from the kids' experience. Yeah, there's some kids there still. Like, that thing is awesome. It's really tempting, but maybe next time. I will remember that.
The next cool slide we find, I'll make him do
that.
I'll do it.
I have a little kid sometimes. She can confirm that. Not just sometimes, I guess. Okay, let's go and get on the road, empty the tanks and stuff, and explore. Let's see what the devil's churning. Sinners. Well, then we're at the right spot, I guess.
Sacred words inside us fit.
We just said, like, if you're at the Oregon coast, you literally could stop at every beach, at the beach once a day, different beach every day. Like, there's so many beaches, very beautiful beaches. So we're very happy to see that. We really like it. And this kind of stuff, just up our alley.
You can find me out there. Look for that circling square. Can you see me? I'm right here.
Turns out the devil's churning water. Well, could have seen that coming.
Wow.
It would have been easier to put on the sign what's allowed.
Yeah.
Not what's not allowed. It's quite a list.
Little too soon, bound to the moon. Mystery veils and shadow worms. Sad old dreams, new Mexico, still in search of.
Now that's quite some force in the water here. Don't want to swim in that one.
I'm right here. Well, you can find me out there. Look for that circling square. Can you see
Somebody got wet. I guess when you want to be close to it, you have to take it. Whew. Well, I guess I took a bath. Just light bath.
That's why you're wearing adventure bands.
Yay! Since we are so eager to see a lot of stuff, we pulled out once more after the Devil's Churn, and this should be Thor's Well. I wonder who came up with all those names, but there are some mystery involved, I think. Thor's Well, Devil's Churn. Yeah, so this is a 0.4 mile from that parking spot next to the highway. 0.4 mile trail. I have no freaking clue still how to convert miles to kilometers in my head. Let's say 700 meters. I will put it down there. Let's see what Thor's Well looks like. That's more like Thor's toilet. Thor's Well or Thor's toilet?
It's just confusing. Flushing.
Yeah, it's like a Thor's flushing all the time. That's crazy. It's so weird to see. I know it's just water and rocks, but that's mesmerizing. Okay, I admit it. Now I just want to see people getting wet here at Thor's Well. It's already,
Nobody falls in. Like,
yeah.
it's really rough.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Before I leave, why don't you check out one of our other videos? Also, loads of items you might see in our videos are in the description below with a link provided as well. Check them out. See you next time.